Hey everybody, I'm Dave. I specialize in hail damage repair. So I've got one in my garage today. I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around and show you what I do. If you've got hail damage on your vehicle and you'd like to get it fixed, I can make it real simple and easy for you. I can write the estimate for you, contact your insurance company, negotiate the claim, schedule the payment, and do the repairs all in just a few days. Over the weekend or during the week, I work around people's schedules, and I'll show you real quick what I'm working on today. This vehicle right here was caught in the hailstorm in Newtown, and you can see there's a lot of little bitty dents on it. A lot of these are hard to see outside. Some of the big ones, like those, you can definitely see, but a lot of these little guys, you don't even see them until you get them inside under proper lighting. I circled this side. There was about 75 just on this side of the hood. So you times it by 2, there's over 150 dents just on this one panel. And then, you know, there's the roof down the sides. Quite a bit more damage than you see outside once you get it inside. And this is thousands of dollars worth of damage, and it really devalues your vehicle. So it's important to get it fixed. This vehicle's also got some other damage. As we come around the sides, you can see that there's some dings and dents in here. This probably isn't from hail damage. This looks like somebody opening their door into the fender. I'll fix all the hail, and then I'll go around the whole car and do any little door dings like this that I see, any little scratches. I'll sand and polish those out. So I'll make this car look really good, better than before it had the hail. If you got a hail damaged vehicle and you want to get it fixed, give me a call. I'll take care of the whole process for you. It'll be really easy peasy. If you have something on the exterior of your vehicle that you'd like to get corrected, give me a ring. I'd be more than happy to help. Hope you have a great day. Here's the final product. Came out really good. There was a couple hundred dents in this hood alone, and got them all out one by one. Paintless dent removal, great way to go. The customer gets to keep their factory hood and their factory paint job, and it's done in just a couple of days. Here's the finished product on this fender. This fender had some hail damage on it, but it had 2 or 3 good chops right through that body line and towards the back. This was not caused by the hail. This was on the car prior to the hail damage. But once I'm in there to remove the hail, I like to go ahead and tidy up all the panels, remove any kind of door dings from just normal wear and tear, and make it look really nice for the customer. I was able to get it out for the customer in just 2 days, as opposed to if they would have taken it to a body shop, they probably would have been without their car for about a week. I did this over the weekend, so the person didn't have to miss work. They dropped it off on Friday, and they're going to pick it up tonight, which is Sunday, and they will be very pleased. So I'm all done with the hail repair. So if you yourself have a hail damaged vehicle and you'd like to get it repaired, please feel free to give me a call. Ask for Dave. I'd be happy to help you. I treat all these vehicles with the utmost respect. I repair every vehicle as if it were my own. So I do a really good job, really thorough job, and I make it really easy for whoever chooses to come to my facility to get their hail damage repaired. If you have a hail damaged car, give me a ring. I'll help you out.